What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a dark iPhone screen even if your brightness level is set to the maximum. Display brightness and dimming problems can be caused by your hardware, but it's more likely a setting is causing the problem on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and head to the Display and Brightness section. Here, set the brightness option to your desired level and disable True Tone. You can also access these settings to your device's control panel. Swipe down from the top right of your screen and tap and hold the brightness icon. When this is done, head back to your main settings and tap on Accessibility. Here, select Display and Text Size and make sure the Reduce White Point option is disabled. Below, you should also disable Auto Brightness if you don't want your iPhone to change the brightness of your display automatically. It might use up more battery if this option is disabled, but it will most likely fix your brightness problem. Another option you should verify is back in your accessibility settings under Zoom. Here, tap on Zoom Filter and make sure it's set to None and not to Low Light. You'll be required to restart your iPhone to apply these changes. But just to be sure that the problem is not software related, you should also make sure you're using the most recent iOS version. Back in your main settings, tap on General and then Software Update. Here, download the latest update before restarting your device. This will install the software update and apply the changes made to your accessibility settings. In case nothing helped you out, then you'll be required to reset all of your iPhone settings. In your General settings, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset and then Reset all settings. You'll be required to enter your passcode before your iPhone restarts again. Remember that you'll have to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and change some settings back to how you like them, so only proceed with this step as a last resort. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.